In order to save your GarageBand track as an MP3 or export it as an MP3, the first thing is make sure you don't have any updates to GarageBand. So open the App Store, check for updates, and make sure you have the most recent version in case anything has changed. And then once you have your song open, right here as I do, go in the menu bar in the upper left-hand corner and click on the Share button, and then go to Export Song to Disk. When we do that, you're going to see this export option box come available to you. Right here where it says Quality, this is where we decide what type of file format the song will save as. Now, AAC and MP3 will be more compressed quality files. They'll save you space, but will also have less quality as far as the song itself. But AIFF and WAV files are a bit bigger, so if you are a bit low on space on your hard drive, definitely choose MP3. Right here where it says Quality, go ahead and click the drop-down box. Always do the highest quality possible. Unless you are really pressed for space, this is always going to be the option you want to choose. Go ahead and give the song a name. Decide where you want to save it. So I'll save it here, and then go ahead and click the export button. Once you're done, you can go to your Finder like I've done here, find the song, and then double-click to play it, or you can press the spacebar to preview it like you would any other file on your Mac. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.